Whiz Kids, hope you're doing good and welcome back to Science with Sophie. Today's experiment is the inflating sandwich bag. So what you're going to need for it is a sandwich bag, a quarter cup of warm water, half a cup of vinegar and some baking powder. So let's get on with it. So your first step is you're going to open up your sandwich bag. You best have a Ziploc bag or like this one where it's a resealable one because it's just easier to close at the end. You're going to open it up and you're going to pour your baking powder or your bicarbonate soda into here. So if you have bicarbonate soda, you use 3 teaspoons, and if you have baking powder, you need to use double that because it's not strong, so 6 teaspoons. So I've already measured mine out, so I'm just going to pour it in because it's just easier. But mine, because baking powder has 6 teaspoons in there, or just drop some on the grass, that's fine as well. Once that is done, you then need to add your water first, which is very important. So add that into the bag, and then you need to shut it about halfway before you add the vinegar, because you need to trap all the gas that is being released into the bag so that it'll inflate. So you need to do this really quick, this step, when you add the vinegar. So I'm just going to move so I can stand up a little bit. You get your vinegar, pour it in quick, and seal it up, if it will seal. Is that sealed? And then you can give it a bit of a shake. The bag is fully inflated now, and it's all trapped in there. So the reason why this happens is because when you add the vinegar, it's something called an acid-base reaction, and when an acid and a base react together, it creates carbon dioxide, which is what I said last week is the stuff that we breathe out, and that is what's trapped in the bag right now. Actually, try and pop it as well, if you don't mind getting too messy, or your parents don't mind anyway, by squeezing it. There we are. On to experiment 2. So our second experiment involves Skittles, which are one of my favourite sweets. So I'm very excited about this. So I've just put mine in a bowl because it just makes it easier to be able to pick them out. And what you're going to do is you're going to organise your Skittles in a circle on a plate. So I've got a plate here. You can do any colours you want. You could even just use 1 or 2 colours. I'm going to use them all. I'm going to make a rainbow. So you'll see what happens in a second. So once you've done that step and made it into a circle and done whatever pattern you want, you need to get some warm water and put it in a jug like this, and you're going to pour it onto your plate. So let's do that now. How cool is that, Whiz Kids? So you've made your very own rainbow water, which is really cool because obviously I'm sure many of you have rainbows put up in your windows, which are a sign of hope in these really horrible times. So now you've made another rainbow, so good job. The reason that you actually make a rainbow with this is because Skittles are coated with food colouring and sugar. So when you put it in water, that dissolves into the water, and because water's always moving, it spreads out into the water and meets in the middle, and that's what makes your rainbow. So that is everything for this week. I hope you have a really good week, and I hope you're all staying safe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!